How to change language on Rednote app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Rednote application on a device and make sure you have logged into your account. Now as I logged into your account, tap on the Me section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now as I tap on Me, it will take you to your profile. So all you have to do is tap on the gear icon at the center of the screen over here on the right side, and as you tap on the gear icon, it will take you to the settings. Now here you'll be able to see the option of general settings over here, so just tap on general settings, and under general settings you can see the display category where you can see the option of languages. So tap on languages and here you can select between any of these languages. Now since I'm more comfortable with English and I do not know other language than English, I'm going to tap on English and then get back. And that's how you change the language on Rednote app. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.